Let's explore the My Books section, where you can manage all your created books. First, go to bookimagic.com. Then, sign into your account. Accessing My Books is super easy. Just click on your initials in the top right corner of the screen. From the list, select My Books. In the My Books section, you'll see all the books you've created. Each book has a status: unpublished, books you've created but haven't purchased yet; published with online use only, books available in preview mode. These do not include PDF or EPUB files, and do not come with a commercial use license. Published, copyright secured, books you've purchased with full copyrights, including all files and commercial rights. From the My Books section, you can open any of your books, purchased or not, and continue editing them. For purchased books, you can make edits even after buying the book. Simply click on Get My Book inside the Book Edit page to re-download the updated files. You can download your purchased book files directly from the My Books section. Simply find the purchased book you want, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the book's thumbnail. Note that the three dots are only available on purchased books. Select Download to get your book files. If you need your book's online animated version, you can find the animated book link above the Download option. Click on the Share button to copy the unique link to your online animated book. Now you can share this link so others can read your book online. And finally, one of the most requested features of Bookimagic: Book Series. Each book thumbnail has a plus sign next to it. Click the plus sign to create a book series based on that book. This allows you to continue the story from the previous book, use the same characters in a new adventure, edit existing characters, delete them, or add new ones for the sequel.